Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring prerequisites. Your phone runs Android 8 or later, and you're signed into the Google account you'll back up to. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device in if battery is low to avoid interruptions. Now open Settings and tap Google. Make sure Backup or Backup by Google One appears. If not, update Google Play Services. These steps prevent failures and ensure your data goes to the intended drive account. Next, you enable and configure the backup. In the Backup section, toggle Backup to Google Drive on, then select the Google account if multiple accounts exist. Make sure you choose which data types to include: app data, call history, contacts, device settings, and SMS if available. Once configured, press Backup Now to initiate an immediate backup. This verifies permissions and speed. If you see permission prompts, grant access so Drive can save files. This sets up automatic future backups on the chosen schedule. Finally, verify the backup by checking the timestamp shown under Backup. This confirms data landed in Drive. When restoring, sign into the same Google account during a new phone setup or after a factory reset, and select the backup to restore apps and settings. Make sure downloads and media are backed up separately if needed. If something fails, clear cache for Google Play Services, reboot, reconnect to Wi-Fi, and try Backup Now again. This common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.